Okay, again, now for something completely different. I just wanted to show you, there was paneling all over these walls, this wall and this wall in here, and I have to touch it up and fix it. They had a bunch of nails sticking out. You can see where it's torn the face paper, and electricians had done some stuff. I actually have to pull this patch out right now. Electricians did a bunch of work in here. But I want to show you not just the fact that I've got a lot of this face paper that's torn and how to prep that before I tape this, but also this mud. I mean, all of this old mud has never been primed, and it's old. You can see by how yellow this drywall is that this has been here for quite a while, and it's just dust everywhere. And if I just tried to mud this up, chances are the mud's just, I guarantee you, if I put any dirt on this old mud here, you can just scrape it right off. It's not going to stick. So I have to seal this all up. And I do it with this. I actually had a video that I did where I just taped over old wallpaper, and I primed it out with a Kills primer before I taped it. I'll attach it. You'll see it. It'll be probably right over here above my head, the little thing. I would not do that again. I wouldn't use that product. I would use this. It's done by Zinsser, and it is a great product. I've been using this now ever since I did that video. Somebody made a comment about this, and I've been using this ever since. It is awesome. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. I'm going to pause this for a minute. I'm going to get set up, and then I'm going to start priming this wall out. So see you in a minute. Okay, I'm right back. Now this is very watery, very watery. So all I want to do, I do want to hit all of the mud that's exposed, but I also want to get into every single one. I want to hit all of this paper rough and all of this where the mud's been put on the walls. I also want to hit around where I'm going to be patching this, just in case there's anything loose on there that I need to hit. But it doesn't take much. All I have to do is get it on there, just get it on there, and it'll be just fine. So it's, I'll show you when I'm all done with this, what it does once this gets hard and how hard this gets. It's incredible. I have no problems with paper rough anymore. It used to be, if you had a lot of paper rough, I just tell you, let's just rock this. This is almost too much than what I'm comfortable with. I would have been at one point, let's just rehang this drywall. Not today, not since I found this product. This works really well. So I'll show you back. I'll get back to you whenever this gets hard, and I'll show you what it's like when I go to spackle it. Hey, the one thing that I didn't mention is make sure the room's well ventilated. I haven't felt this good in years. I need to crack a window. This is kind of a fumey stuff, so my rolling story, just teasing. No, ventilate the room. It needs it. Okay, I have it all primed. Let me show you. Everything is primed out with that Gardz. I had to do those ceiling strips too, and I had this entire wall. And I'm sure if I missed something, somebody's going to say, oh, you missed this, you missed this. What is it about these people who just want to go on your YouTube channel, look at videos, and just complain and cry and moan? One guy said, oh, that was the worst, that was a wasted 4 minutes that I would never get back. Who's going to watch a video for 4 minutes if they're not liking what they're seeing? I don't. I look at a video, and if I don't like it in 2 seconds, it's gone. I'm going to the next one. And I'm definitely not going to take the time to leave a comment on that video either, just because I didn't like it, I'm just not going to watch it. If you do like them though, subscribe, share. Okay, I'm back. If you notice, if you remember, I put a coat. Oh look, I told you I would see something that I missed. I missed this right here. But I put a thin coat of this Gardz on here. And now I want to just show you. I just want to show you how easy this other stuff comes off, really. So now if I have anything, this is very hard. There's nothing soft about this anymore, and all of that stuff just flakes right off. Anything that's on there, I'm hoping you see that. I actually am not looking at the camera, I'm looking at the wall. And that's what I do. I just go through and I scrape off any of the loose stuff that's sticking out. It's really hard. It scrapes right off. And most of the stuff, one coat. I will put one coat on it, nice thin skim coat. I'll sand it, it'll be done. Some of it has got some deeper stuff in it. I have to put 2 coats. But you see I coated this already with one shot right here. And believe it or not, I got some scratches in here, but it's gonna be just fine. Once I put one coat on these marks and stuff, I'll just dust it off a little bit and it'll be ready to paint. So much easier than laminating the entire wall, ripping it all down, doing all the other stuff. You just hit it with that Gardz, hit all of the bad spots, and then just go through and touch up the wall, sand it, it's ready for paint. Guys, have a good day. I thought I'd just listen to some music and do this wall. I'm gonna attach it to this video on Gardz, so enjoy. Listening to my tunes. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.